So at Superbooth 2017 with Scott from Industrial Music Electronics. What have you got to show us?
I have my new 4-channel quantizer module called Argos Bleak. It takes 2 control voltage inputs, such as from keyboard and sequencer, and provides your 4 oscillators with a set of octave, detune, slew, and vibrato knobs. It has an integrated vibrato generator and has a variety of control inputs to switch the various modes on and off remotely.
So is that 4 separate inputs, individual quantizing?
It has 2 calibrated 1 volt per octave inputs. Each of the 4 output channels may select input A, input B, the sum difference, and you may also enable the gate input for each channel that causes the input assignment to flip.
So is that a case of 2 ins, but we can generate intervals, all the different harmonies and things on the 4 outs?
Yes, each channel has a programmable semitone amount that acts before the quantizer, and those can be saved as presets, so you may step through them as chords.
Yeah, I was going to say it becomes a chord generator as well. Can we hear a bit of that? Let's check it out.
Sure. Right now we are listening to a simple 1 oscillator drone with the piston Honda. We are making use of the octave knob, but let's turn the slew up. And also let's route the slew to be pre-quantizer.
You can create keyboard style portamento up and down the keys.
Yes. So as you hear the sequence step, you can hear it. It's slewing like that. The scale setting for this module acts on all 4 channels, though you may disable the quantizer for individual channels if you wish. Now let's add in another oscillator. This is the Hertz Donut now. I have it on channels 2 and 3. But also the modulator frequency is being controlled by this as well, so you may use the octave knobs and the semitone programming to dial in precise intervals for modulation frequency.
It's a really fast transposition.
Yes. There's also an integrated vibrato generator on the module that acts on whatever mix you set up with this center column of knobs. The slew limiter, the input channel assignment, and the quantizer operation itself may be controlled by these gate inputs at the bottom.
All right, cool. So you can do the sort of gated slew 303 style as well.
Yes.
Great. And have we some updates to the Bionic Lester as well?
Yes, the new Bionic Lester is due for release this summer. Not much has changed from the old one. The pots and knobs are of much higher quality in the old one, so they'll stand up to heavy tweaking. There's also an anti-aliasing filter included, so it may behave more like a normal filter if you wish. There's also a mixer for the outputs. Each of the 2 filter sections has 3 mixer knobs on it for mixing the low bandpass and high pass all pass outputs. Then there's a parallel output mixer past that gives you the individual outputs or a controllable mix of them.
All sounds great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.